Down to the beach I'm strolling.
Hey guys, Cringe Master 2000 here. Okay, so apparently these fidget spinners, they're really popular. So I gotta follow the trends. I gotta be cool, cause I am Cringe Master. So I got one. It's yellow, and I'm gonna do an unboxing. Made in China, by the way. But first of all, I'd like to thank you guys for 30 subs. 30 subscribers. I also like to thank you guys for my last video did really good, and so anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for that. But anyways, time for the unboxing. So as you can see, yellow, got this beautiful white box. Hand spinner, work class home, made in China. Open this box. Look at that. Comes in a little package thingy. See what I'm saying? Alright. Here's my fidget spinner, guys. Man, that's pretty lit, huh? Got myself a fidget spinner finally. So now I guess I'm cool like everybody else. And whoever comments on this video first gets the box, I guess. Unless I want to keep it. Unless I change my mind. Also, wait. Where'd I put it? Wait a minute. That awkward pause. I'm sorry, I couldn't find it. Never mind. But anyways, it's a yellow fidget spinner. It's pretty lit, and that's all I have to say. Hope you liked the unboxing. Hope you liked the video, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and post a comment below. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.